what's up? This is Mr. Kaiser right here, and then we are going to be talking about the Pythagorean Theorem. That is today's lesson. Okay, let's get straight to it. So we have a right triangle, right? So we got the three sides. We got A, B, and C. Okay, A and B are the legs. The legs are the shorter sides, while C, the hypotenuse, is the longer side. All right, it's the longest side that you have for the right triangle. And our formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So it's involving squares in this situation. All right, so now let's go to our examples right quick. So let's look at number 1. So it tells us to solve for S, right? First things first, we need to label which one is A, B, and C. Okay. So we have, so 8 is going to be A. We're going to label that as A. While 15, we're going to label that as B. And we got our X right here. So that's going to be our C. Okay. So now if we go down here, let's write out our formula. We got A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Next thing, you have to substitute. Because we got 8 squared, then we got 15 squared equals C squared or X squared. I meant to put X squared, but it's the same thing. All right. So now 8 squared is the same thing as 8 times 8, which that's going to be 64. And 15 squared is going to be 225 because 15 times 15 is 225. And on the right side of the equation, we got C squared. So now we got to add 225 and 64. So let's add those. So 225 plus 64. That's 9, that's 8, that's 2. All right. So on the left side, it's going to be 289. And the right side is going to be C squared. Okay, so the next step, we want C to be by itself. In order for us to do that, we have an exponent. And with squares, to get rid of that exponent, you take the square root. And what that will look like, it will look like this. Okay. So on the right side, we're going to have C. And the square root of 289 would be 17. So our answer choice for number 1 would be C. And in order for us to check that, we could check it. We could do 17 times 17. Okay, 7 times 7 is 9. Keep it a 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 11. Then we're gonna do the 1. So we got 7 1 9 8 2. See, that's how you check your answer. So 17 would be our answer. All right. Now let's go to the second problem. We got 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and C. So first, label A, B. Okay. Change it to a different color right quick. Okay. So we got A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now we got to substitute A squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. So that's going to be 64 plus 36 equals C squared. If you add 64 and 36, you're going to get 100 equals C squared. And the last step, take the square root of both sides. So on the left side, you're going to get 10. In the right side, you're going to get C. So 10 will equal to C. And that's how you do the Pythagorean theorem. All right, if you want to check if 10 equals to C, all you gotta do is 10 times 10, which that's gonna be 100. All right. And that's all I have for you folks. And that is the Pythagorean theorem. That's how you solve it. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And Mike Kaiser is out.